Ah, very, very nice. Very nice indeed, my friends. There it is. The DVD set. The complete original series DVD set is now mine. Of course, I want to be very careful here. I'm very fearful of damaging the product. Slice and dice our way into there. I'm happy they sent it in that other box, because after this is off, I'm going to have to keep it nice. And the ultimate test. It opens and hangs down immediately. I don't know if you could see that right there. Is already starting to separate because it's not hinging down. Now the good thing is, you have the inside of the coffin all nice there, and of course our good friend Mr. Barnabus Collins, the booklet. Love the smell of these new booklets like this. There's Old Man Barnabas. Gives a whole rundown of each episode. This one bonus series introduction. Kate Jackson. Very nice book. Disc 127. And to take it that the first episodes appear to be at the bottom, below Barnabas's feet. Yes, this 1 to 6, pre-Barnabas era. Still says the complete collection on there. And there you go. This one, episodes 1 to 9, the pre-Barnabas episodes. There's also something I'm not liking. Looks like used case. Good thing is this video will document that I opened it. Just hope my biggest fears are not realized. And there you have it.